kind of new technology, or what technology that you already had are you guys using more to be able to get work done and keeping social distancing?
What a great question. Now, if you recall, we had this policy with cell phones on our cell floor. We'd like to try to keep the cell phones off the cell floor. Had a little mailbox for everybody to put their cell phones in. Well, you can't fight that anymore. Right now, I'd like everybody to have their cell phone. So what happens is we use our cell phones to text each other because you got to stay in your zone. Let's say, for instance, a assembly professional has just finished assembling a part. We do what they call a first piece. It's got to go to inspection. Inspection's got to approve it, and then he can assemble the rest of the lot. So instead of him walking that part down like you normally do, talk to the guys, put it on the inspector's desk, make sure that the baseball is really good at spring training.
Yep,
you know what I'm saying? Instead,
I do.
They just text and say, hey, I got a part. I'm going to walk it down and put it into the outside of inspection. It's going to be on a first piece rack. You got to get it, inspect it, and then text me back when it's completed. So that seems to be working really well.